For a long time, I convinced myself that being a pro meant having the biggest bag. More glass, more batteries, more noise. But eventually, the gear becomes a barrier between you and the thing that you're actually trying to capture. It becomes a distraction from the moment. I wanted to see if I could strip my creative life down to the essentials. No unnecessary layers, just a solid piece of aluminum and the lens that sees what I see. This isn't about moving backward or settling for less. It's about moving forward with a lot more intent. This right here is the Nothing Phone 4a Pro. The Pro tech here feels a bit different. While the standard 4a stays transparent, the Pro goes clinical with the aircraft grade aluminum unibody. It's dense, it's cold, it feels like an actual tool in the hand, not just a lifestyle accessory. I've spent the last 48 hours deconstructing Cologne with this camera system. We finally have a 50 megapixel periscope lens on a Nothing device. And for my workflow, that changes everything. In broad daylight, it's not about seeing more, it's about the compression of space. It's about finding the symmetry in the concrete that the human eye usually ignores. Using the 80mm focal length to isolate textures, the rust on the industrial beams, the board-marked concrete, it captures details that would be completely lost on a standard wide-angle lens. It's the first time a mobile camera has made me stop reaching for my main body while I'm out scouting locations. And that's exactly when these tools become essentials to my daily life. They're not going to replace my professional grade camera equipment. It's just knowing that I have something in my pocket that won't disappoint. Nothing moved away from the full transparent back here. And honestly, I think this is my favorite design so far. By moving to metal, they made their slimmest phone just 7.95mm. The transparency is still there, but it's purposeful. It's restricted to the window around the sensor, showing the Sony main sensor. But the real theater is the new glyph matrix, 137 individually addressable LEDs. It's significantly brighter than before, hitting 3500 nits. It's no longer just a gimmick for notifications, it's a progress bar for my life. Whether it's tracking a delivery, timing a long exposure shot, or just a visual cue for my morning focus session, the hardware is communicating without me even having to wake the screen. Nothing OS 4.1 feels like a clean desk. It's Android 16, but stripped of the ego. Everything is snappy because of the 144Hz AMOLED panel. Scrolling through my shots from today feels like looking at a high-end printed portfolio. There's no lag, no friction. Combined with the screen that hits 5000 nits of peak brightness and the 5080 mAh battery, the studio is wherever I happen to be standing. I can actually review high bitrate 4K footage in direct sunlight without needing a hood or a shadow. It's a workbench that actually works in the real world. This year, I'm trading the noise for clarity. The Phone 4a Pro is for the creator who realizes that sometimes the most pro thing a tool can do is get out of the way. I'm taking this one out for a much longer photography session across Cologne for the next few weeks, to really see what this periscope lens can do in different lighting. If you have a specific question about the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4S, thermal performance, or how the battery holds up after a full day of shooting, just leave them below and I'll be answering the best ones in the next video. And now, let's see some of the pictures I took today. But before that, I had to go down this slide, I'm sorry.
Call it 9:30.